Episode 10: How to Run a 15-minute Synchronous Stand-Up. Status update meetings are a massive waste of time and the ultimate breeding ground for micromanagement. If your meetings consistent of everyone taking turns proving they worked yesterday, you need to kill them right now. Micromanagers love meetings because they crave control. High performers hate them because they kill momentum. The solution is synchronous stand-up. Instead of gathering 8 people in a room for 45 minutes to talk about their calendars, move it to be Slack, Teams, or WhatsApp using 3 bullet points every morning by 9 a.m. Yesterday, what high leverage thing did I accomplish? What is my primary focus today? Blockers. What or who am I waiting on? This is where you, the owner, step into the clear the path, the actionable blueprint. Cancel your daily status meeting tomorrow. Move it to a written, synchronous format. Your team gets back hours of deep work and you get a written record of progress without uttering a word.